see anything in there?
I can't. Now what?
I don't see anybody.
Kate.
Okay. Oh, ready to go to Mars?
Yep.
Okay, come on. Get in your seat. Mission control on. Switches on. 3, 2, 1. We're there. Look, I see Mars beings. See them out there? They look crazy. Let me show the camera. Our Mars beings out there.
Well, look out.
Yeah.
This way. Here's control. Here's the lookout place.
We're the first people ever to be on Mars.
Yes. Get out?
No, not yet. It's too scary. What's in there?
It's a telescope. It's a telescope, Cake.
What do you see in there?
I don't know. See something?
I see Mars beings.
What's that?
I don't know. They're Mars people. They could be dangerous.
I'm going. Hurry, get our guns.
Okay, put on your suit. Okay. Got your mask so you can breathe. Okay.
I gotta get up my gun first. Got it.
Okay.
You get yours.
I don't know where mine is.
It's right here. Now.
Careful. Is someone coming? Oh, he's our friend. He's okay. We're on Mars. We just flew to Mars. And now we're going to go make sure that there's no bad guys out there.
Yeah. Let's go for here. It's in our secret place.
Okay.
Go.
I can't fit in there too. But you go in there. Who's that guy out there?
I don't know.